bumping.
What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again with pickup. And today we got a special unboxing. As you guys can tell, today is a winter theme, simply because today we're boxing a pair of Adidas Ultraboost COLD.RDY Volume 2. So that's why I got the snow jacket on. I got the nice shoes. Unfortunately, the video's been delayed because one of the reasons is we didn't get any snow yet in the East Coast. I don't know why. You know, before I got this jacket, it was in the 30s for like a whole week. Then the jacket arrived, it was in like the 60s. And then now it's back and forth between the 40s and the 50s. And it's just not cold enough for snow. So that, and also I had a passing in my family, so I had a period of grief. I had to take care of that. So, but we're back at it, starting season 4. So let's get into it. All right, right off the bat, first thing you notice is the in plastic waist that's on the box, as well as that's on the tissue paper. But more importantly, you get the shoe, which of course, first thing that I noticed is the size of this boost, which of course has been the new deal, what they've been doing lately, and I like it. More boost, more power. That's how I look at it. So you have the premium boost right here, and then when you flip it to the bottom, you see the Continental Winter Grip, which is the branding right here. And basically what that means is that this Continental grip that's at the bottom is a lot thicker than the original 22. That's because during the winter you're bound to be around the elements, sleet, snow, hail, rain, and this just makes it easier for you if you're a runner as well as a casual walker, because you have the boost for the comfort and you have the extra grip right here. So it's a win-win. Now there are bits of reflective ability properties that throughout this shoe. This is slightly reflective, it's not a lot. Same thing with the 3 stripes right here. You kind of see it just a little bit. It's not too heavy, not a heavy influence or reflection on this pair of shoes. Beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. You get a second pair of laces. The laces that are in here right now, they have this lock on it. My particular pair, I kept this on. I actually like this because it's easy to go. Once you put your foot in, you just get it how you want it, boom. You don't have to tie these up. Of course, by name, they call this the Cloud White, which is what the 3 stripes are right here, the Cloud White. And then this gray actually has an interesting name. It's called Gray 6, which that's probably the first time I've ever heard of that, but it is what it is. And then of course, this upper is just carbon black. Pretty simple. Now you see COLD.RDY right here, lets you know exactly what type of Ultra Boost these are. And then, as I was saying, I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? These stripes are reflective. Maybe it'll show, maybe it won't. Let me see if I can focus in. Yeah, there's no way of really showing you guys this, but trust me on this. It is reflective. I would say like a 2 out of 5. Not saying that it doesn't help at night, but don't rely on just this if you're going to go running at night. So this is a slightly reflective, as well as this right here. Now back to the inner works of the shoe, as of course this is recycled material, up to 50% recycled on the upper of these. And as I said before, you guys have the grip that is Winter Grip by Continental, and let's see if we can show you how thick this actually is. So you guys see that? It's nice and groovy. Now you do notice this when you're walking on concrete. It's not a downside, but it is something to take note. You will notice it doesn't quite feel like cleats that you're wearing, but it does feel, you do feel the difference that you're now on the flat surface with the flat boost, which I don't mind. I don't mind at all, because this thicker grip right here just means that these are going to last longer when you're walking or running. Now right here on the back of the cage, you got the Ultra Boost, which you know and love right here. And then this material right here is super duper soft right here. I really love the padding that's on this. Now on the inside, you have the sole, of course, that says in plastic waist. I like this little accent color. This is like a orange. This is actually orange. This is kind of like a I wouldn't say neon, more like an infrared orange. I don't think infrared, well, I don't think there's an infrared orange, but if there were, this is what this would be. It's orange. It's almost like a tangerine orange. That's the best way I can describe it. And then of course that accent is right here as well, as you can see. We got the orange. So I'll be honest, man, for $105 is what I paid for these. I couldn't have asked for a better deal. So definitely get you guys a pair of these if you can. You already know about the boost. Like I said, each year they do little things to improve it, and this right here, this boost, the responsiveness on this is amazing. They say these are a regular fit. I of course always go half a size up for boost because I like to feel more comfort, and that's just me. So if you wanted to wear your true size, you could, but I think if this was your first time, consider going half a size up just so you can feel more boost. Overall, man, it's a great shoe. Pretty easy to slip these on as well. That's why I always go with a half a size up, man. I mean, my foot is probably like right here. Got a little bit of extra room. And still pretty responsive. Start slipping off. Boom. And then boom.
Oh, easy money, call it butter and bread. You probably cop the pack and probably smoking instead. If you can't trust yourself, then I can't trust you either. If I'm shit fly once, then I can't trust it either. Easy. I'ma keep it real. Forget the late lunchtime. Let me hold a meal. Damn, and my mother's still going through it. Can't really help cause the chicken is going through it. But we gon' ball out, now watch me shoot it. All about these checks, now watch me do it. Facts, all haters, but watch me win. But I'm somewhere the problem when it comes to the rim. I was like Steph Curry with a year off. Corona outside, stay inside just to clear off. The bus way and I'm ready to rumble. I heard you smoked your pack, you ain't ready to hustle. If you can't trust yourself, then I can't.
Well, we've been watching wrestling lately.
She just likes activity to play with. Let her play her.